Assalamu alaikum. I am Kazi Almuqtadir and welcome to my another tutorial. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you accuracy assessment of a classified raster that I have classified in my previous video. And if you saw my previous videos, I showed you how to classify and how to reclassify an NDVI, and I also showed you supervised classification and unsupervised classification. And today in this video I'm going to work with the reclassify NDVI raster map. So if you don't know how to classify a map, in my previous videos you can see the supervised and unsupervised classification. Okay, so after classify my map, uh, I extracted my study area file here, and you can see here this is the polygon shape file of my study area, and I extracted this portion of from this map. So if you don't know how to do that, go to Arc toolbox and under special analyst tools, and you can find extract by masks under extraction sub toolbox. So click here, extract by mask, and input raster here as your uh, the full NDVI reclassify map. I choose this for this tutorial purpose. I have done this earlier, and you have to input raster or a feature mask data here, and this is here study area, and after you have selected this, click OK. And before we go further, we have to create a folder about this tutorial purpose, and I'm going to right click here and select new folder, and let's rename it as accuracy assessment, and right click here, and we have to create a new shapefile, and the feature type will be point, and I'm going to rename it as point. And for the special reference, look here, edit and add coordinate and import, and this will be our referenced file here. Okay, so this point shape file has added here. Then right click here and go open attribute table, and we have to create a field here. Select add field, and let's rename it as true, and close this. And we have to add a toolbar here, editor, and if you don't have it here, just right click and click here, editor. Okay, so click here and start editing, and we are going to edit the point check file here. Select this and click OK, and then go to create features, select this point check, and what we are going to do is we are going to assemble true value from the map that we are classified from, and we are going to check it with our reclassified image, like this NDVI image, and we are going to see if our classify how much accurately we classified our map. Like this, I'm telling this is a water body, and I'm going to see from the exact picture that this is a water body or not, and that's how we're going to calculate our accuracy for our classification. So this is the map we used for classification purpose, and we are going to assemble true value from here. So you can take Google Map or base map for reference, but the time period will be very important for this purpose, because in different time period the land will be different. Like in rainy season the vegetation will be more green, and the water bodies will be more, and in other seasons like winter the barren areas will be more exposed. So this is the water body I know here. So we're going to add this point here. Okay, so after adding these points we're going to open attribute table and select all these. Right click here and go to field calculator and set this value as 1, as number 1 is the water bodies. Okay, so here we have added all our points. You can right click here and go to attribute table, and you can see 1 is the water bodies here, and 2 is the barren areas, barren land, and 3 is agricultural crops, and number 4 is forested areas. So before we go further, we have to go to geoprocessing and go to environments. Click here workspace and select your scratch workspace as your uh, here you can see I have created a folder here, and inside this folder I have created a geo database and rename it, and click add to add this as your scratch workspace, and it will save your times. Now we can remove this map and go to search box. You can find it here, or press Ctrl F, or you can see here for search. Yes, this is the search box, or you can type Ctrl F for this box and search here and click here search, and click here external values to points special analysis tools, and select input point feature as point check, and input raster as this one as integrity class, and you can rename it here to point, and click OK to run the tool. Okay, so after created the this file here, right click here and go to attribute table and click here and add field as prediction or predict, and select here and click right click here and go to field calculator and raster value and delete this field. Okay, so here is our raster value here, and this is the true value, and you can see here 8 and 13, as 8 is the forested areas and 13 is the agricultural areas. Okay, and we're going to search box again, and let's search for frequency. Click here, frequency analyst tools, and input table as value to point, and we're going to select frequency field as true and predict, and let's rename our file as frequency or point frequency, and click OK. Okay, so here is our frequency table created, and going to search box again, and let's search for pivot table, and select here pivot table data management, and input table as point frequency, and input fields as prediction, and pivot field as true, and value field is frequency. Okay, and this is the pivot table. Okay, so here is our table has created. So this is our error matrix, and we can calculate accuracy by a formula. So we can calculate the accuracy from this following formula: total true value divided by total sample value into 100. So here total true value is, we can add 16 plus 20 plus 11 plus 18 divided by 16 plus 20 plus 3 plus 2 plus 11 plus 18 plus 2 into 100, and the result is 87.84%. So this is and you can also check accuracy for different classes, and if you have your results less than 80%, you have to classify your map again. So thank you for watching my videos, and if you are watching my videos for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video to help other people. Thank you very much.